Everyone, it's Miss Rebecca from the MLK After School ASES program, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to do a dance that's called Cumbia.
So we're going to start with our right foot, and it's going to go back, and then with the left foot we're going to step over to the right, and then we're going to bring it back together. And we're going to repeat the same thing with the left foot. So we're going to go back, step over, together. And I'm showing you with big steps, but in reality we want to do smaller steps so that we ensure that we're on beat and we can complete the steps on time. So what helps a lot also is doing it on your tippy toes. So we can start off slow, doing it on your tippy toes, but with the beat of the music it's a little fast, so you want to start off slow and slowly start going faster. So I would start like this and then start going faster. Okay, now from the side that will look like this. So we're going to step back with the right, step over with the left, and come back together. And we're going to repeat the same thing on the other side. So we're going to step back with the left, over with the right, and come back together. Now we're going to try doing on our tippy toes and start slow, and then slowly start going faster. So we're going to go and then try going faster. Make sure that at this point you're taking baby steps so that it's easier. And with this dance it's only 3 steps, so if it helps you to count out the steps in your head, then you can do that. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so this is what it would look like with music. So we're gonna start with our right. So remember, we're taking the baby steps so that it can help us complete the steps. Remember also that if you do it on your tippy toes, it's easier. And it's 3 steps. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3,